What's up guys, my name is Ariq and this is Leah. Today we found some gold Series 2 mini brands. It's actually been a good minute since I have done some toy unwrapping anything having to do with toys, Barbies and all of that. But we are still doing that. And today Leah and I are going to unwrap our first ever gold mini brand. You wanna go first, Leah?
We can do it at the same time.
Okay, we'll do it at the same time. Let's see. First of all, for those of you who have seen videos of our mini brands unwrappings, we have actually gotten a pretty good amount of the mini brands. For those of you who don't know what mini brands are, they are pretty much just actual shopping brands, maybe groceries. I want to say the majority are like groceries and snacks and stuff, and they're just literally like tiny miniature brands or miniature sizes of them. And for anything, they're collectibles. I like using them for photo shoots and pretty much overall just collecting. Leah likes to use them to play with
Barbies.
Her Barbies.
LOL. My
LOL.
favorite. First we have to take this out. I don't know how to take it out.
I think it's the other side. This side. See?
Then we take out these from each of them.
Yeah. They open up like, I always want to say like little orange peels because it reminds me of like an orange when they open up. So each individual slice has a brand in them, and we're gonna do Leah's first.
Okay. Open it. What is this? Chicken stock
for Thanksgiving. I'll do that right here.
Then
Wait, put it back right there so you can see.
What is this?
What is that bacon?
I think it's
bacon. Yeah, that's super cute. So far, these gold ones are way better than the original ones. So they're doing a really good job with the Series 2. They're really stepping up their game with them. I just hope that I don't get repeated ones, because I remember for the other ones, every single time that we would get a mini brand ball, I would get at least a soy sauce in each. There are different styles, but it was always some soy sauce. So if anybody wants to trade in some soy sauce for whatever you guys have, let us know. Oh, she got a little shopping cart. Is that what it is?
Yeah, it's a shopping cart. Looks super cute. We can build this later.
Yeah, we'll build this later. Some mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese.
Velveeta mac and cheese.
Got some, what is this?
Organic thyme. That is perfect for your mom. And then Leah is gonna go ahead and open mine also. So this one came off. Let's do this one.
Side.
I'll give them to you just separately.
You got
I got another shopping cart. So we both have a shopping cart, which is good.
This one's good. Got, what is this? What is this?
Nut thins. Those are like, nut thins are like little crackers.
Cracker snacks. So it's cracker snacks. Some ground cinnamon.
That one's really cool.
I think this is butter.
Philadelphia cheese.
Cream cheese.
Just cream cheese.
You got bacon?
Bacon.
Bacon.
We got repeated bacon.
Wow.
So I know, it's pretty cool.
And the collector's guide.
Yeah. So this is what we mean by mini brands. This is oregano leaves, but it's the same brand. And look at how tiny it is in comparison. I'm gonna show them the cream cheese, Leah.
This one.
And then this tiny little one. So these are pretty really, really cute. I'm curious to know what else they have. They normally show you in
The
collector's guide. This is it for our little unwrapping. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, keep your thumbs down to yourselves.
If you want a shout out, comment down below what was your favorite mini brand.
So please subscribe to my channel and click the little bell to get a notification every time I upload a new video. We will see you guys soon. Bye.
Bye.